You're looking for means to send bulk Telegram messages. With this software, you're able to send bulk Telegram messages from your Android phone without doing any manual work. So I'm not going to waste your time. I'm just going to show you the demo of the software. So after I've gotten the software, for you to get the software, just message us on our WhatsApp or Telegram. You can check the description to see our handle. So the software supports bulk SMS, bulk WhatsApp, bulk Telegram X sender. So I'm just doing the demo for the Telegram. So just click on Telegram. So upload the contact. So you can choose any of these ways to upload your contact. You can also import your file. Just import the Telegram numbers you want to send to. So if you are sending to international numbers, maybe in Nigeria, you want to send to Telegram account in USA, UK, just make sure the numbers have country code. If you are sending to USA, just make sure there's +1 in front of the number. If you are sending to UK, make sure there's +44 in front of the number. So for the software to send the message successfully. So after you upload your contact, it's going to show you. So let me just paste this number here for demo purpose. So after I've entered your message, then choose the time you want to send it. Click right now. So also you can upload your image, video, audio, document, anywhere you like. Then click on OK. So within a few minutes, the software will start sending the message. You can see very fast. You can see the message has delivered. You can see very fast. That's that the software is going to be sending your messages. So that's how the Telegram sender works. So just come here, upload your contacts you want to send to, enter your message, then start sending. So let me just show you the demo of the bulk SMS as well. The software supports bulk SMS. So if you have different network on your phone, choose the network you are using for sending, then upload your contacts, choose any method. So I'm using this. Sorry, the number is not on my phone right now. So I've entered the number, then enter my message. Then choose the time you are sending right now. So within 3 seconds, it starts sending. So you can see the message as delivered. That's how this software works. So the same goes with the WhatsApp sender as well. So for you to get the software, you can just message us on our Telegram by checking our handles in this video description. So thank you. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you again.